You fixed it last month. Same connection, same spot, and yet here you are again. Lights flickering, power cutting out, another mystery you've already solved once. In marine environments, repairs don't just need to work. They need to hold up under pressure. Salt air, spray, high humidity, temperature swings. Your electrical and mechanical systems are under constant attack. And if you're using a general-purpose grease to protect those connections, you're already one step behind. Most greases aren't made to handle moisture, much less salt water. They break down, thin out, or wash away entirely. That's when the doubt creeps in, when you start wondering if the job you just finished will last the season or even the week. CAIG's marine greases are different. Formulated specifically for harsh, high-moisture environments, they resist washout and protect both mechanical and electrical contacts without compromising conductivity. They don't just coat a surface, they bond to it. That means your protective layer stays put, even in direct spray or high humidity conditions. Let's take a look at how to apply DeoxIT Marine Grease, starting with the mechanical grease. For the purposes of this demo, we're applying it to this old C-clamp. The clamp works, but it's creaky and rough as you turn it in either direction. After applying DeoxIT mechanical grease to the screw at both ends of the frame, the screw slides in and out much smoother. DeoxIT mechanical grease is great for ball bearings, doors, chains, hatch closures, sliding tracks, and much more. Next, let's shore up some connections with DeoxIT electrical grease. We've got some RG connectors here, and we'll go ahead and apply some grease right to the screw part of the connector before making the connection with the other end. The connectors screw on easily, and even after getting beaten by saltwater on the ocean, will disconnect easily when needed. No more cursing at stuck and corroded connectors. DeoxIT electrical grease can be used for antenna connections, battery terminals, lifts, relays, and more. Finally, we want to show you how to set up a 14-ounce cartridge in a grease gun. Be sure to pull the plunger all the way back so you can insert a brand new cartridge of grease. You'll need to remove the black cap from the back of the grease cartridge and insert it into the grease gun barrel with the side you just opened toward the plunger. Once the tube is all the way inside the barrel, pop the pull tab lid from the other side of the cartridge and screw the barrel onto the grease gun head assembly. Now you push the plunger in to release air and start pumping the handle until grease begins to come out. You can now apply the coupler at the end of the grease gun into a grease fitting to lubricate that part. Think about your most failure-prone areas. Battery terminals that oxidize between uses. Lighting circuits that glitch when waves hit just right. These aren't flukes. They're the result of protection that wasn't made for the marine world. With CAIG Marine Greases, those connections stay sealed, clean, and consistent. That means fewer redos, fewer surprises, and more confidence in the job you just finished. Explore DeoxIT's full line of marine greases and electrical protection products at CAIG.com.